starting off with my base makeup already done, and I'm moving on and I'm going to be applying my Essence eyeshadow base. And I'm just going to be blending that all over my eyelids. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to set that with my e.l.f. powder in brown. And now I'm using my Colourpop shadow in the color Krinkle, and it's a really sparkly gray color. And I'm just using my fingers to blend that out. And I got a little bit of fallout. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit more just to give it some extra sparkle. Now I'm going to be taking my Milani eyeliner in the color blue, and I'm just going to be lining my eyes, kind of doing a downward slight angle kind of wing. I don't really know how to explain it. And now I'm just going to be taking my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and I'm just going to be curling my lashes. And then I'm taking the Wet n Wild mascara, and I'm putting a lot of coats on because I was going to wear false eyelashes, but I kind of got lazy, and the ones I had didn't really go with the look, so I just applied a lot of coats of this mascara. And now I'm going to be moving on to eyeliner, and I'm just kind of outlining the shape of the blue eyeliner that I just applied with my Moly eyeliner. And now I'm just going to be kind of topping my eyeshadow with this Urban Decay glitter liner. It's just going to give it some extra sparkle. And now I'm going to be doing my egg yolk sal in my inner corner highlight with my Labiotte shadow in the color Baby Beige. And I'm just going to be blending that out as well. Alright, and then I'm going to be topping off the egg yolk sal color with this glitter liner from Ulta. Alright, I did the other eye off camera, and now I'm going to move on to highlight, and I'm just using my sleek highlight palette with this Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be applying it to my cheeks, also around my nose area, and just parts where I really want it to shine. Now I'm just taking these random glitter stars from a nail kit, and I'm taking some eyelash glue and placing small dots on my cheeks. And that's how I'm going to apply these stars on my face, as you can see. And I'm trying to do them random, but I kind of made them a little bit linear, but I kind of fixed it later on in the clips. Alright, now I'm going to be applying my Colourpop Lippie stick in the color Let's Play. This is from their collaboration with Sanrio. I love this color, it's so pretty. It's just a beautiful shade of red, and it has a little bit of glitter and sparkle in it, which is why I love it. And I'm doing a slight gradient lip with this as well. Alright, and then the last thing, I'm just setting my face with my NYX matte setting spray, and that is the finished look. This is a perfect fun look for 4th of July, for parties, barbecues, whatever. I really enjoyed making this look. It was so fun to film. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Stay colorful. Bye bye.